Hello friends, this is Rubia. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you are seeing my face for the first time, then do subscribe to see my further videos, and I won't waste a lot of time. I'll just jump into the videos. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay guys, so it's 8 o'clock and I have just came from office, and today I thought I'll film a video what's in my office bag. Okay, so I carry this purse with me at my office. And yes, it's little big as you guys can see, but it's not that big. Like मेरी सारी चीज़ें आ जाती है, मुझे और कुछ चाहिए नहीं in life. That's it. And I have got this bag from Colaba Causeway 3 years ago, 4 years ago I guess, बहुत पहले. And it has some print over here like fashion, something like fashion was written, and it is of leather. But 3 साल 4 साल हो गए पक्का, and I have been using this daily, like every day, and so obviously print चला गया है, but एक भी चीज़ टूटा नहीं है, and everything is amazing. So I am planning to put some stickers on this. Let's see. But yes, this is plain simple bag. That's what I love. Okay, we'll open this. I'll just show you one by one. ज़्यादा कुछ रहता नहीं है, but then also headphones. Obviously I can't go to my office without my headphones. They are really important, and I have ordered this from Flipkart. In case you are interested, I'll put the link in the description box. You know what happened? पहले I ordered, they don't have color options, so I ordered and I got black color. I wanted pink color, literally I wanted pink color. Pink and grey looks amazing, but I had to return and order again. Like they don't have return, they have only exchange policy. So for exchange I got another color, and third time when I exchanged I got this blue color, and I was so exhausted that I had to take this blue color. I can't wait anymore for pink color, and Flipkart has really bad thing that it took 15 days for one. So next 15 days for second one, and next 15 days for third one this. So I don't have that much patience to wait 2 months for headphones. And it's quite in budget. It is working really well. I have been using this since Diwali, that is 1 or 2 months, and it's pretty well. Okay, next thing is this book, obviously a diary. Who don't have a diary? It says Girl Boss, and yes, I love this. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys must be knowing I'm a Girl Boss fan. Even my phone wallpaper has Girl Boss written. I don't know, it inspires me. Okay, next is this bottle. This is also of Girl Boss. Girl Boss is written on my bottle as well. Yes, so I'll put down अगर गिर गया ना पानी. Okay, next thing is this tiffin. Obviously we need food. ये spoon इधर है, and tiffin is quite amazing. It opens this way, and ये 1 2 3 डब्बे है. रोटी, snacks and sabji. That's all. And sometimes if I want yes, that's all I take. Sometimes I take rice, तो snacks इधर रख देते हैं, इधर छोटू सा डब्बा लेके. So yeah. Now the next is charger. Obviously I need a charger. I have 2 phones, so 2 chargers. Next is sanitizer. Yes, you need a sanitizer nowadays, extra one. So I put that. My hair clip. I need a hair clip with me in case, because, and keys, extra car keys. You know what, I am so like I don't know what to say. I forget car keys inside my car many of the times, so I need the extra one in my purse. Office keys, and yes, this purse. You know what, I put this exactly this sling bag in my big bag, because in case reason one, in case I want to go somewhere from my office, I can take this sling bag directly, if it makes any sense. Okay, and next is that अगर मुझे घर से किधर जाना है, so I don't need to transfer stuffs again and again from my office bag to sling bag, and from sling bag to office bag. It's really time consuming and irritating, so I just put this whole sling bag in my big bag. Okay, so I have a complete video of this, what's inside this, a separate detailed video of this. I'll put the link in the description box. I have a separate video, but in case we'll go fast into this if you are interested. Okay, first is this visiting cards. My visiting cards, in case you don't know, my visiting card looks this way. That's my logo, company's logo, star, and that's how my visiting card looks. Yeah, I know, interesting. Some money and your wallet inside this. Then the next thing, and this sling bag I have got from Dadar Market, Station Road. Yes, Dadar Station Road. And this also have been like 2 years. I have been using this since 2 years. You must have seen in my many of the pictures and videos. So yes, and this keychain normal मैंने लगा दिया, ये इसके साथ नहीं आया था. And when we open this, and the best thing about this round sling bag is that ये दिखता छोटा है and चीज़ें बहुत सारी आ जाती है. Like it has a lot of space inside this. Okay, face wash. इतर like in pair of that perfume मुझे गिफ्ट में मिला था, so I am keeping this. Almost use हो गया, थोड़ा सा ही बाकी है. Next is sanitary napkins. Every girl needs this in a sling bag. Wet wipes, lip balm, mirror. If you don't know, I have ordered this from Miniso. This mirror. Good night roll on. ये मच्छर का, in case I go somewhere, ये sling bag हमेशा रहता है, तो I really need this. I hate when mosquitoes bite me and I don't know, हमेशा वो मुझे ही bite करता है. Sanitizer, because I take sling bag अलग से and big bag अलग से, so yes, I keep two sanitizers. Vaseline, my day doesn't start without Vaseline, if you don't know. Comb, lipstick, liner, soap, paper soap, again a hairbrush. This opens this way. This is a detangler brush, and I just love this. It is so compact and amazing. You get this on Nykaa as well, but I took this from Beauty Shop. It's really handy and amazing. I just love this. Normal tissue paper, kajal, a pen, a small little notepad, a buckle, hair clip, hair ties, home keys, and some cash, and this hair clip. Yes, that's all. So I hope you know what's in my bag, and in case if you want any of these things inside your bag, just put it inside your bag, because all these things are necessary and which every girl needs. So you can't go outside home without any of these things. That's what I feel, so I keep in my bag. Yeah, that was all for today. I hope you love my video. Don't forget to hit like to this video, and if you have any other ideas what I can put inside my bag, just let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so do subscribe if you haven't already. See you in next video. Bye bye.